So I want to stay accountable. I want to show you what I'm working on if you show me what you're working on. At the minute I'm working on active flexibility, sliding into my middle splits. Now, passively, yes, we can get into middle splits, but I want to do it through strength in that range of movement. So at the minute, I'm not overly warm, but we'll see where I'm at anyway. I just quickly want to film it so you can see what the goal is. So here goes. This is going to nip. Oh, that was sorer than I thought it was going to be. So that's what I'm working on. What are you working on? Show me a video, show me a photo, post it in the comments, let me know. Maybe I might have some tips for you. Or if you get any tips for me, please God tell me.